Okay, guys, thank you for joining this session, guys. So let's start first with checking today's market on the direction of today's market and how we are anticipating today's direction of the market. So you can see right now we have GU. This one is called GPP USD at the moment. So at the moment we have GPP USD. So so let's say for example we want to check for example this one. So because guys, we normally have three strategies which we normally trade. So one of the strategy that we normally trade is called the first candle of London Open. The first candle of London Open. So you can see from this chart, the first candle of London Open, on 15 minutes time frame, this candle closed a bearish candle. So see, it is a bearish candle, this one. So we are anticipating a strong downtrend because again, we said like every day when you come to the market, always mark the high and the low vision session. Or let's say you're trading the London market or the New York market, you mark the high of London and you mark the low of London. So let's start. Let's say uh, you have come to the market today. Maybe you have come to the market today and you want to check the direction of the market. And for this one, it's just for people who want to analyze for market for a very short time. Because we are not in the market to stay maybe for long, trying to analyze the market for maybe 3 hours, 4 hours. No, no, no. As we analyze the market at a very short time, then we enter the trade. So we don't wait for opportunity, maybe after 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. No, 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 no. For us, we always have a precise entry on our entries. Yeah. So it's either buy or sell because otherwise the market is probability. Yeah. Like there's no assured thing in the market that the market must go like buy today because uh um the market has confirmed my indicator has confirmed like no, anything can happen. I've been in the market for a while and I know, guys, I won't lie you guys that in the market any market can do anything. So to be on the safe side is for you guys to have a probability mindset. You see, guys, yeah, you can lose, you can win, but after a series of trades, you're gonna be making money. For me, like every month, I usually make money every month. Maybe in a year. Like for example, last year, 2 months, I didn't make any money in 2 months. Yeah, I won't lie you guys. 2 months. I remember it was on December. December, the market was like hell. I closed the month with negative 3%. The month was like because trading during the holidays is a bit mess. Don't trade during the holidays. Yeah. Well, maybe from December 10, don't trade again because sometimes you can see the market makers, they have gone to for holidays, so the market will tend not to move, and you have come to the market the market makers always come to the market so that the market can move. So if the market doesn't move, it will just be hitting your stop loss and go away, hitting your stop loss. So for me, I remember it was on August, yeah, August and December. It was like I closed the month negative. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But during the other months, I was just making like 10%, 15% per month, 5%. See, guys, I was consistent making like percentages like every month. But during holidays, it's a bit crazy. During August mostly is holidays. Most people go to vacation. Even retail traders go to holidays, something of that sort. So it's a bit mess to trade those times. But if you can do it consistently every month, you're going to make money. Yeah, of course you're going to have like sometimes a month that is very low, a month is very high. But if you do that for a month, for a year, then your account must grow. Yeah, because most people they tend to trade a certain strategy for a month, for 2 weeks. If the strategy doesn't work, they change the strategy, they go to another system, and they'll be repeating for the same mistake over and over and over and over for a long time. You you might find yourself you have been trading for 3 years and you are not profitable. It's something like that because you have been changing the system, change the system. For me, I don't change the system, guys. The way I've been trading, if I decide to trade a certain strategy, I'm gonna be doing that strategy for a month, for a year. Like for me, the strategy for Bollinger Band, I started trading it on January. I started trading on January, and I've never stopped taking the setups. I've never stopped taking the setups till now. It was on January, February, March. Sijaikuwa na losing month. Sijaikuwa na losing month on Bollinger Band. I don't know when but I've been taking the same trades every day because I know consistency is key in the forex market. So we see, guys, like last month Bollinger was very low. If someone could be trading it, maybe someone could have abandoned that system this month. But I kept on trading. I kept on trading it. Sometimes I could lose like 1 week in a row. Can just imagine, guys. I could lose like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, losing trades all. But I kept on like hoping trading the next trade, hoping the next trade will get a profitable. You see, guys, you need to have that persistence. You see, that persistence is what separates successful traders from unsuccessful traders. You see? So when you keep on persisting, like trading the same system over and over and over and over, you'll tend to get the winning trade, the winning streaks, the losing streaks, the winning, the losing, losing, and the winning. And for the sake for the important of your side is that whenever you win more than what you lose. Let's say you win maybe 3 times. You lose one. So if you do that, if you maybe in a month you win 15 trades, maybe in a month you win 10 trades, you lose 10 trades, and you are a very profitable trader because like you're losing 10 trades. Let's say you lose 13 trades. You lose 13 trades, you win 7 trades. You are a very profitable trader because every time you win 3 times. Every time you lose 2 times. You lose 1 time, 1%. Of course, you'll make money by the end of the month. That's what separates people. But you know what? But when you change the system, you go to this system, you go to another system, you go to another system, it'll affect you, guys. So you can see today here we have the market already it has taken the liquidity. Simona, guys, pamoja, you see the market it has taken liquidity here. So of course here I'm expecting a very strong downtrend market. I'm expecting a very strong downtrend. Yeah, even this one I've executed a sell market on this trade. I've executed a sell on this market. Yeah. So you can take us. You can yeah. You can take maybe guys, let's check. So this you can see, you can take at least 50 pips on this market, a TP of 50 pips. Or if you're very confident, you can hold this trade till here, the low version. See here, guys, because guys, we normally say like every session has the high and low. Because here we have stop loss of retail traders around here. I don't know, it's not writing. Just a minute. Um, let me write it here. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay. Just a minute. I connect these. Okay. Okay. Guys, okay, guys. All of us to be sell. All of us to sell in this trade. It's a nice trade. So, but don't risk high. Just risk a small amount of money that if you lose, it will never affect you. Yeah. Yeah. You can see now we have stop loss of retail traders in this area and this area. So in this area, we have stop losses, and also the stop losses, they have taken the stop loss of retail traders. So what I'm expecting this market is to go on a downtrend. Until here again, yeah. So guys, so here we have the stop loss of retail traders, and here we have the stop loss of retail traders. So what I'm expecting is a downtrend to this area, And also again here, they're going to be coming here to take the stop losses of liquidity of retail traders and then go up. So anything can happen. So what you do is a probability game, guys. It's a probability game. So anything can happen if something like that. So let's go. So this one is for GU. Let's go for Euro USD. Let me check Euro USD. Let me check Euro USD. So on USD, the same thing, guys. See, guys, the same thing. The same thing. You can see they have taken over the liquidity. Yeah. So if you are trading USD, maybe you have already entered a sell on this trade because the market has already the market it has already moved 20 pips already in this market. The market has already moved 20 pips on this market. So if you have missed this entry, you can wait for your entry at the low of Asia here. You can see, guys, the low of Asia here. So the low of Asia, you can expect there a reversal. You can expect the reversal, the market coming down, taking a liquidity at the low of Asia, then boom again. So wait for the liquidity to be taken here. The stop loss of retail traders at this area. See, guys, so the same thing that has happened at the high of Asia. So we're going to do the same thing, same thing. Yeah. So guys, you can suggest you can suggest for me the currency that I want to analyze for you guys. Maybe you can suggest for me on the chat box the currency that you want me to analyze, so that yeah, suggest for me any currency that you want for me to analyze. Maybe UJ. Let's check UJ. Yeah, guys, you said our system is easy and precise. No thinking, no thinking. Yeah, easy and precise. Same thing, guys. You can see here. You can see here on Euro USD JPY. You can see now they have taken over the liquidity of retail traders at this area. Because see, guys, here they have already taken liquidity. See this area, this kind of green one on the London Open. They took over the stop losses. Now they are going up. See, guys. So if you really want to enter this market, you can wait the high of Asia. You're going to take the liquidity at this area. So you are late. If you want to enter this market right now, you are already late. So already late. So don't enter right now. So same thing on Friday. I think on Friday we got an entry here. I don't know if someone entered this trade. See, they came down to the low of Asia. Yeah, they came down to the low of Asia, and I told you guys you wait for the market to the low of Asia. So on the low of Asia, they came to the low of Asia. They took the liquidity at the low, not the low of Asia, guys. Sorry, guys, because this one is the London market. This one is the New York market. The Asia is the blue part, is the Asian market. So So the Asia is the blue part. The Asia is the blue part. But for us on Friday, we're only focusing on the London market, on the New York. Let's say you came to trade on the New York, because on the London market, we didn't have the trade at that time. So you can see on the New York market, New York market. So we said, guys, on the previous session that if you are trading the New York market, you should come to your screen, or the time to trade is 3 p.m. 3 p.m. time. So this means at 3 p.m., you mark the low and the high of London on the bodies, at the high and the low of London. You can see? So you mark at the high and the low of London. So after you have marked the high and the low of London, after you have marked the low and the high of London, you need to wait for the market to take the liquidity at the low of London and to confirm with a green candle. Now you can execute a trade of either, if the market has taken the liquidity at the low of Asia, or actually buy it. If the market has come, take the liquidity at the high of London, then you can sell. But you can see on Friday, the market came and took the liquidity at the low of London. See, this trade closed the green candle. So this green candle is now your entry candle. Then you set your stop loss below that entry candle. Then your entry around here. Then where do you take your stop loss? Where do you set your stop loss? Your take profit. You always set your take profit at the high of London, because you know exactly that the market makers are interested in this region at the high of London. Because now they might come again, and take the liquidity and go down. So if you're planning to take your stop loss around here, then sometimes you're going to miss your TP. So to be on the safer side, always set your take profit at the nearest high of the session. Hope you guys are getting. How many are getting? How many are getting? How many are getting? Thumbs up if you're getting something. All right, all right, all right. Yeah, yeah. So TP. Yeah, on take profit point, always say that the high of Asia. Or not the high of Asia. Take profit, always set the high of the previous session because that's where the money is, guys. We normally say that's where the money is. That's where the money is in the forex market at the high of the previous session. Yeah. If you can really understand that, then you're going to compress your learning curve. You see your learning curve in forex market, you're going to to squeeze it to be like very short time you're going to be profitable by understanding that concept. So even if you're a beginner right now in this meeting, if you're a beginner, if you've been training for 3 years, this is the concept. If you can master the things that I'm showing you here, you can be very profitable in 3 months and start building your account and having a good discipline, having persistence. Yeah, something that I've understand about forex is persistence because guys, you need to have a persistence. I didn't know about it, but persistence is doing something religiously. See, religiously. It's like how people do affirmation. It's like how people do affirmation, like repeat, like you're telling yourself, like I'm confident, or like I'm rich, until when your mind will accept. You see that? So you do that on your trading strategy. You see that? You do it on your trading strategy. So this means you're going to keep on trading the same system religiously for 30 days. Then you evaluate your system. If you've made money, continue trading that system. Yeah. If the system is well profitable, continue trade that system. Don't change the system. Even if someone tells you like, oh, I have my system here, it's making money more than you. No, no, no. That is your system. Many people are going to confuse you along the way. And also you're going to be confused on YouTube because you're going to chase, because our mind is always programmed for new things. You want to crave new things. You want new things. You want new strategy. You want like new things, new information, You see that? But that information sometimes is very poisonous. Sometimes it's very poisonous because trying to like you want a new strategy. You want a new strategy. Every month you're trying you're trying to trade another strategy. But if you can trade one strategy for a month, then you're going to program your mind to understand that system. And also you're going to program your mind to understand the system and also to improve your consistency. We have so many strategies. Stick on one system. Yeah, stick on one system. If this system of the low and high of Asia is going to work for you, keep on trading it. Keep on moving, keep on trading it. Don't change it. Don't change it. Change after maybe 60 days. After 2 months, then evaluate yourself. If it's not working, then you can change. But don't change after 2 weeks. Because I gave you another example. I gave you an example of Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band, like last month, it was like terrible. Someone it was crazy. Like it was crazy because yeah. I know people. I know most. I know some of you guys who have been who are in this meeting. Um, understand what I'm saying on the previous month. On the previous month on Bollinger Band, it was crazy. It was really crazy, and some dropped the system. Some continued trading it. But imagine, guys. Imagine from first March. It was on first March to 30th March. It was crazy. We were having like sometimes losing for 3 days, 2 days, try winning. But on the month, but by the end of the month, we closed with a small profit of around 4%. But on April 1st, till now, it has been performing at the peak. We have been making profit, 5%, 10%, 5%, 5%. See, guys? You see, guys? So just imagine if on March 30th we could have this we could have said maybe like maybe I could have said maybe for example like maybe for me like me I'm not gonna be trading this system. You see, we could have missed the same, but I came to realize that the Bollinger Band is not for beginners class. That's why it changed. That's why it changed on the. That's why I introduced that Bollinger on the beginners class, but I came to change it. I came to change it, and I gave them another strategy for the first kind of London Open. This is because you can see this one doesn't have more losing, but Bollinger it has got more losing because it has got because when you win more. See, so for someone who is starting forex, that strategy will not be suitable for them. Yeah, that will not be suitable for them. Mobile is for someone who understand the market, who understand the psychology, who has yeah, something of that sort. Yeah, yeah. So guys, if you really want to train Bollinger Band, you need to train your mind that you'll have some time losses in a week. Yeah, you see, beginners maybe they don't have that exposure of losing trades. You see, so it'll be very hard for them maybe to adopt and also to trade it. You see, guys. Yes, yes, yes. So that's why I changed it because in this other strategy, we have less we have less of losing. Yeah, less losing, something of that sort. But the other one is crazy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you need to train your mind. You need to train your mind. You need to train your mind. Yeah, in this forex market, if you really want to perform well, if you really want like to see the results in 6 months, 3 months, like guys, let me tell you something here. Let me show you something here. Like if you can master three things, if you can master three things in the forex market, it's going to like change the way you view the market. Number one, these are the three things which you must, if you really want to take your game to the next level. Let me show you three things. Number one, sticking with one strategy. Sticking with sticking with one strategy when you can master, until when you want then until when you are profitable. Until when you are profitable, then you can move to another system. But guys, you see, most you see, guys, us we normally trade this system. If it is not profitable, we're going to move to another system. See, chasing the new things, and you end up 1 year you're not a master of one strategy. Yeah, but it is not bad to trade so many systems. But have you mastered? Have you mastered one system that is making money so that you can chase one another system? See, so you need to stick with one system. If for example you stick with one system and you start making money, then you can decide yourself to say you can so what you can do is you can look for another system again. See, because this one is already making you money, you have mastered it, and you are consistent making money part of it. Then you can look for another system in another session. Maybe this one is London, you're going to look for another system in New York. Yeah. So before you chase so many strategies, make sure at least one strategy is making you money so that you can change system. Yeah, make sure at least one system is making you money so that you can change the system. Higher. Number two. Just a minute. Number two. Just a minute. Haya, number two is risk management. This is very key, guys. This one is very important. How much are you risking in your account? Guys, I'm sure. If for example, you're a beginner here, risk management, it's called risk management. For me, I lost so many accounts, guys. I'll never lie to you guys. I lost so many accounts when I was trying to run Forex. I knew nothing about risk management. I knew strategies only. Like, you can never blow an account. Like, guys, that is crazy. When I came to understand that you can never blow an account, like, you can never blow an account. If, for example, you can never blow an account. Risking only if you have an account of $50, if you have an account of $50, and in a day you only risk $2, you can never blow this account. You can never blow this account. You can never blow this account. And it's impossible. Just imagine. Higher. Let's divide $50 $50 divide by $2. That's how much? That's 25. I think it's 25. I think it's 25. Yeah, 25. Just imagine if you have $50 account in your account. If you have $50, then in a day you only risk $2. So this means you have 25 days of trading. You have 25 days of trading. So you can never blow an account. It's impossible. Like, in a month, just imagine in a month you have 20 days of trading. So this means you have 1 month, 5 days of trading. And even if you trade without a strategy, even if you trade without a strategy, like, of course, kuna sometimes you'll win, sometimes you'll getting a losing, sometimes you win. Even if you're guessing, even if you guess, sometimes you can get luck of a winning trade, losing trade, even if you're guessing, because this is a probability game. So this means for you to lose this account, for you to lose your $50 account, for you to lose your $50 account, so to mean, like, from 1st March, just imagine from 1st April to 30th April, umelose every day without winning, every day without winning for 30 days, so that you can blow this account. So this, I'm trying to show you guys, it's impossible to blow an account. Like, most people who blow an account, to me, I blew so many accounts. Sometimes I could deposit $100. Leo kesho hakuna hiyo account. Kesho kutwa, like, nimedeposit tena kwa account. No. Because I used to risk so big in this account. Let's say, for example, I remember my first account niliwekanga $50. This account hata ikikaa wiki, hata si wiki, 3 days ama 4 days, sikuwa na account. Because first nilikuwa nikiingia trade, nilikuwa na fear sana, nilikuwa na that fear. Kwa nikiingia trade hapa nilikuwa nikiingia trade hapa, neka stop loss around here, maybe nilikuwa na, for example, ini entry, ini stop loss, ini entry. Market ikipanda kidogo hivi, ianze kureverse kidogo hivi, naanza kujump. Now this one is coming for my stop loss. Now it's coming for my, let me remove my stop loss. Unapata remove stop loss. Then all of a sudden market naenda, nasema itarudi tu, it will come back. It will come back. But then account in a blow, you start going up again to deposit again. Yeah, we usually have this thing. It will come back. It will come back. Yesterday, I removed my stop loss and the market went down a little bit, then it came back. Today, it will come back again. It will come back. Hey, sometimes it won't come back. Hey, yes, and that's how people blow an account. Yeah, just set a stop loss. Set a stop loss. Set a stop loss. The way the market will go, hivyo. So don't change stop losses. Yeah. Another mistake most people make is so number 3 kwanza, then you can go to, so guys, I think all of us can confirm that you can never blow an account. How many are we together that you can never blow an account if you have a good risk management? If you can $2 per trade, like, you can never blow an account. How many are together? Maybe thumbs up. Yeah, you can never blow an account. Usiwagopa kudeposit. Never have fear of depositing the big account. Because I remember one time ago, like it was around 2021, around 2020, around 2020. Yeah, I got a client. I got a client. So this client akaniambia, so this client told me like, Newton, yes, sir. I can see you are trading, I can see you're trading Forex. And by that time, I had a small account. I had like it was around $400. I was trading $300 by that time, trying to grow my account. So, so I showed him my account. Three $300. Nilikuwa nimepeleka that account to around $400. Then he told me like he was retired. He was a retired. I don't know. He was retired from government. He told me like for me Newton, what if I give you 1 million? Then I told him like, let me go and think about it. Then I'll come back to you. Nikaenda home nikajifikiria nikasema, ndio hiyo msiki blow ataniweka ndani. Hii 1 million ni pesa mingi sana. Sikuwa na mindset. By the time nilikuwa sikuwa hapo in psychology of mindset. Unajua this thing you grow. Hiyo nikamwambia, that's a huge amount. I won't trade as a huge amount because it might blow. So nilikuwa na hiyo mindset. I have that mindset. That was a, you want to see that? That was just an opportunity of me. Like by that time, it was an opportunity for me, but for me, like because I had the mindset of mine by that time, nilikuwa najiuliza like, oh, ita blow because nilikuwa na blowing some accounts. No, because nilikuwa na sometimes I blow naeka $20 naeka kama 200 napata nime over risk nime blow. So kuna hiyo that fear. This is that fear. But after some time you evolve, you grow. Then after some time something clicked to me that, oh, so we have something called position calculator. This is something here. I'm gonna be showing you. So then you can realize that, oh, so it's just a perception. So trading is just a perception. You can never blow an account. You can never. It's impossible. From that time, I have never blown an account. I have never. I have never. I have never. You see that? When I came to understand about this one, it's called position calculator. This one. You see, hope it's clear on the. Is it showing on my screen, guys? Is it showing on my screen? Is it showing on my screen the position calculator? Thumbs up if you can see. Okay. So when I came to realize that you can sit here the amount of money you want, like $100, your account is $100, I'm at $200. Let's say you want $200 on this account. Yeah, okay, $200, $200, and you risk only 2% of this, 2% of this. Stop loss ina depend the amount of stop loss ni ngapi. So ina depend na stop loss yako ni ngapi. Let's say stop loss yako maybe ni 10. So una calculate. So this means I'm going to be losing only $4 if I use a stop loss or a lot size of 0.04. Period. Evo. Like in this $200 in a day, I can only lose $4 and never trade until tomorrow. So to me, if I have 1 million, I can never blow. That is $200. See? So, but if you have the mindset, like I know most people are on your mindset. Most people they have that mindset, like, okay, if I deposit more money, like I can lose that amount. That is the fear. That is the fear. I can lose the amount. Yeah, that's the fear. I had that fear before. That's when he'll decline that deal, yeah, 1 million. Because my mindset was just like was not good by that time. Like nilikuwa naogopa like, oh, I can lose the amount because by that time I was not trading without stop loss. I was over risking. I was gambling. See that? Even that mindset, you can't trade with profirms. Profirms, profirms, they are very strict. If you don't have good risk management and you don't have a good psychology, you can't trade profirms. And but I remember that time nikachukua profirm. I remember that time after that nikaona after I got the awareness of trading that you can never blow an account, then I went to profirm. Nikaanza they gave me $5,000 account, $2,000 account. I traded with them for a while. I passed the challenge because I was trading very disciplined by that time. That was the perception that I had. So right now, if someone gives me like 20 million, like that is just like $200 for me. You see, that is just like $200. That is like $200. That is like $200. Yeah. So I don't take trading like I don't take for example like I don't since you go like you that 100 billion is a lot of money. No, 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 no. Just the same. So yeah. So guys, just to finish, guys, if if you if you can move, if you can trade an account of if you can trade an account of if you can trade an account of $50, if you can take an account of $50 and that account of $50, you make like a 20% of 20%, then you can also trade an account of 1 million, $10,000. It's not impossible. It's like Nivo. Yeah. But if you cannot move an account of $50 to $70, then you cannot move an account of 1 million to profitable. It's just simple like that. Like just simple like that, guys. If you cannot move an account of $20 to $25, you cannot move an account of 1 million to 1 million and something. You see? So it starts the way it starts where you are, the account you have right now. So the account you have right now, it might be very small, but don't worry. It is just like a preparation ground for you to learn. Yeah, that small account of yours, make use of it, practice part of it, try to understand the market, try to understand the psychology part of it, the risk management part of it. And if you can move an account of $20 to $25, then you can also trade an account of 1 million to 1.5 million. That is the fact. That is fact. Yeah. Yeah, but unapatanga mtu anasema, hey, maybe you get someone maybe ametrade for a while. Anakuambia, hey, mimi tu ni capital ndo sina. I don't have capital, but I'm profitable. But I don't have capital. Haikuangi capital. Hey, it is not capital. It is psychology. Mtu anakuambia, hey, been trading for 1 year. Now, because mbona siko pro firm? Yeah, mbona siko pro firm? We have pro firms. Yeah, you can take pro firm. So the problem is not the money. The problem is not the money. The problem is psychology. Yeah. If you can move an account of $50 to $75, then actually, like, if you can do that for 3 months consistently, like without blowing that account, then you are then you are a good trader. You are a professional trader to trade with pro firms. Unaona? But mtu anakwambia sina capital mimi. But ukiangalia account yake, maybe you see the account, maybe like I made it $50, but account like is not growing. So unapata that person anataka unapata for example like with perform kwa program kwa pia on the you will not like be consistent. Like you need to start where you are on the pro firms. Yes, yes, yes. And I know, yeah. So guys, so don't be so same about so don't say it's the money. Yeah, don't say it's the money. So don't say that it is the money. Yeah. No, 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 it's not the money. It is yeah. Just follow the rules. Follow the rules, risk management and everything is going to everything is going to lie well on your account. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. So guys, I think guys we can stop from that point. I think we can stop from that point. Then we check maybe I've shown you guys where we are anticipating the market and also yeah. So because normally we don't trade New York, you can be checking also New York with the same system you have been trading. Mark the high and low of Asia. Look for the liquidity trap. Buy can take that trade. If the trade goes in your favor, it's okay. If the trade goes against you, it's okay. Focus on trading so many setups. Don't don't focus maybe on Friday maybe say hey on Friday I got a losing trade. Now on Monday today if this trade goes against me, I'm gonna be changing this system. No. Trade that system for a month. I've told you guys like you'll never blow an account. You'll never blow an account. Yeah, take one system, trade it for a month. You can never blow an account. Yeah, it's impossible to blow an account. For me, right now it's impossible. Now I'm giving the experience that I have. Like it's impossible to blow an account. So ukisikia someone ameblow an account, just know kuna mistake amefanya. Like there's a mistake amefanya. Maybe over risking or maybe like trading without stop loss, then news ikatokea and then something happened. Something of that sort. Yeah, but trading so if you have plan of topping your account, top it. Even $200, $300, $1,000. Yeah, you'll never blow. Just know like you'll never blow an account. It's impossible. Yeah. For me right now, it's impossible. Yeah, yeah. If you have skills, it's impossible to blow an account. But if you don't have if you don't know risk management, you can it's possible to blow an account. Yeah. Yeah. So I think guys, you can stop from that point. Yeah, yeah. Hapo kwa stop loss ndio ina blow account. Yeah. The moment you move stop loss, it's blow an account. Yeah. For me, I've blown so many accounts. Like I'm talking from experience. I've blown more than 10 accounts. 10 accounts blown, blown, blown. $20 blow, $50 blow, $100. Deposit again, something of that sort. It was just recurring, routine. But when I came to understand about risk management, I've never blown an account. I've never, and I have improved growth at trading to pro farms. Now I'm dealing with pro farms, growing pro farm because I understand the logic part of the market and risk management and persistence. And that's how you grow your account and that's how you move to the next level of trading. Yeah. So okay guys, I think you have gotten something today and so we can meet on the next session guys. I think you can meet maybe in the evening, we check together. So also we're having a beginners class. So if you have someone who we have a beginners, I'm planning for another beginners class. So if you have someone who is interested to learn Forex, uh you can invite them to the group. You can invite them to the group and because yeah, for it's growing together guys. So guys, okay guys, I think you have gotten something. Is there someone with a question? Before we close it, before we call it a day. Is there someone with a question? Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I think if there's no any question, guys, I think we can meet on the next session. Bye bye, guys. Okay, 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 guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, keep watching the market. Keep watching the market, guys. Keep watching the market. So, guys, if you want to join my group of trading for my YouTube subscribers, guys, I'll be sending the Telegram group. I'll be sending the Telegram group I'll be sending the Telegram group on the bio there. So if you want to join my trading group, yeah, you can join. You can join, guys. I don't know. I know most of my subscribers are from South Africa. Most of my viewers are from UK, Mozambique. So be free. You can join my group. Yeah, I'll be sending the Telegram group. The link below the video, so you can join it. I'd like to tell you about the strangest secret in the world. Not long ago, Albert Schweitzer, the great doctor, Nobel Prize winner, was being interviewed in London, and a reporter asked him, "Doctor, what's wrong with men today?" The great doctor was silent a moment. Hello? Hey, poa sana. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Kwaje.